Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to fix this problem with Samsung Galaxy A30 phone. A30, A10, A20, A50, A70. This all the same new model phone. Always hang the touch. You can see it's hang up. It's not working. It's working the power button, but touch is not working. How can you to fix this problem? So first you have to press the power button plus volume button plus volume minus and volume plus button together. You have to press these three buttons together for 10 or 12 seconds. Do not move any button. Three buttons together. You can see is restart your phone. After restart you will see your phone working 100% good. Just wait to finish. Phone is rebooting now. If you have any new model phone without home button, if your phone is hang, you can see now touch is working. So now you can use your pattern lock. Okay, you can see now everything is working. So this is not my phone, that's why I don't know the pattern lock. If I know the pattern lock, it's working. You can see. So if your phone Samsung Galaxy or any other phone is new model like this, hang up, not working the touch, you can fix it at home without any thing to do. Just press the power button and volume minus button and volume plus button together. It's like this, three buttons together, and press until it is restart. You can see like this way you can fix your phone if hang up. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is new phone he buy from 3 days and it's hang up. This Samsung model, this problem always become hang. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.